is that this spike in the number of deaths has to do with non-COVID related or non-pandemic related diseases. And actually, in this regard, Lincoln National is not alone. That's because not only did Prudential Insurance, as well as Northwestern Mutual, likewise show a significant increase in the number of deaths, but also, according to another investigation that was likewise conducted by Crossroads Report, there's a life insurance company based out in Indiana called OneAmerica, which saw deaths spike by approximately 40% in the year 2021, specifically among people aged 18 to 64, otherwise known as the working age population. Now, OneAmerica is a giant $100 billion insurance provider that has likewise been around for a long time, for the past 145 years. However, in all that time, in all those 145 years, they have not seen a death rate as high as it is now. That's at least according to a statement that was made by their CEO. Here's specifically what he said, quote, "We are seeing right now the highest death rates we have seen in the history of this business, not just at OneAmerica. The data is consistent across every player in that business. The increase in deaths represents huge numbers, and it's not elderly people who are dying, but primarily working age people 18 to 64 who are the employees of companies that have group life insurance plans through OneAmerica. And what we saw just in the third quarter, we're seeing it continue into the fourth quarter, is that death rates are up 40% over what they were pre-pandemic. Just to give you an idea of how bad that is, a 3 sigma or a 1 in a 200-year catastrophe would be 10% increase over pre-pandemic. So 40% is just unheard of. And then, just like the statement that was made by Lincoln National, the CEO of OneAmerica said that most of these death claims are classified as non-COVID deaths. Here's what he added, quote, "What the data is showing to us is that the deaths that are being reported as COVID deaths greatly understate the actual death losses among working age people from the pandemic. It may not all be COVID on their death certificate, but deaths are up just huge numbers." Now, naturally, the next logical question would be what exactly is leading to such a large uptick in non-COVID related deaths? Because initially, when I saw these deaths, well, I thought that these might be comorbidities, people dying from some underlying condition that was exacerbated by COVID. However, according to these statements, that does not appear to be the case, because these insurance companies are making the specific claim that these deaths are non-COVID and non-pandemic related deaths. And so what exactly is going on? Well, it's not clear. And of course, I don't get into speculation. I only report to you the facts. And the facts are, according to these documents, that Lincoln National is seeing a 163% increase in death benefits, while OneAmerica is seeing a 40% increase in the number of deaths. If you'd like to comb through these documents for yourself, or if you'd like to read the original investigative pieces from Crossroads Report, I'll throw all those links down into the description box below this video so you can peruse them for yourself. And all I ask in return is that you take a super quick moment to smash that like button so this video can be shared out to ever more people via the YouTube algorithm. And also consider subscribing to this channel as well. That way you can get this type of honest news content delivered directly into your YouTube feed every single weekday.